will show you my new Halloween costume. Let's go. So I just got it. I'm super excited. Leviosa. Honestly, the quality of the wand feels pretty good. I believe it's wood. Yep, it's definitely made out of wood. It was very hard to buy this cape because I didn't know what size to pick. I honestly hate buying things online because it's hard to know your size, but I took large nonetheless. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below so you can purchase the same thing. I will need to have a white shirt under this, so let me see what it looks like. Disappear. Okay, that didn't work out how I planned it. Maybe I should do it again. I don't know. So here I am, fully dressed in my Harry Potter Halloween costume. I honestly think this looks good. This is worth the money. I paid like 26 euros. It's a great replica of the actual Harry Potter uniform, so I absolutely love this. First of all, the tie, beautiful. The logo here, beautiful. I honestly think this is a good costume, a good investment. However, I did not buy the white shirt because I had a white shirt already. I only bought the cape and the tie. Oh, and the wand. So everything else, it's all me. Yes, it's all me. Oh, there's this too. Ooh. I'm a new student in Hogwarts. Oh, I also bought these earrings. They're lovely. Incendia! Invictus Aquarium! Manos! Viento Espanto! Okay, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.